Hello, my name is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and today I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough on this beautiful Sea Ray SPX 210 that just came in. Right here we've got the swim ladder and swim platform. We've got beautiful sea decking material all throughout and this beautiful lounge space as well. It is powered by a 250 horsepower MERCRUISER engine. And right here, we've got the battery storage area. So the battery's in here. And then we've got some storage space in here, stainless steel cup holders all throughout. Really nice sea deck material and ski locker. We've got the helm area right here with the Simrad screen and the bow area with bow filler cushions and Fusion audio system. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any other boat here at MarineMax Lake Wylie, please give us a shout. Our phone number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.